Well, hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. We're still working away on this 253. We're going to put the rear housing on it now. I've got a number 4 flywheel housing, and then finish up the rear crank seal, front crank seal, and then put on the oil cooler and all that stuff. So I'll drag it over to the forklift here and we'll get going. Hey guys, I overlooked a small thing here. I thought you guys would like to see this. We got one broken stud. I forgot to take that out, and before I put it on the engine, we're gonna remove it. And you've maybe seen it, maybe you haven't, but this is an old trick my dad taught me years ago. We're going to put a washer and a nut on that, and then tack it with an arc welder, and then it'll come right out. And with any luck, it doesn't make a liar out of me. So you can try all you want to get that out, but this is the quickest method. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. See that? Comes right out. Doesn't matter what it is, exhaust manifolds, broken studs on exhaust manifolds, things like that. It's worked every time. There. And if you're in a pinch, you got a bolt too. There. It's out. So broken studs or anything like that, that's what I do. Works like a charm. Thought you might like that. Okay, we're just putting the housing on. Double check that the timing's all correct, so all the O's line up, and we'll put it down. Just the dowel pins are a little bit stubborn. There. I think that's it, guys. Yeah. There we go. I'll get some bolts and we'll bolt it down. Okay, we're just going to torque down the housing now. There's all kinds of different housings, different torque sequences. This figure 6 here for the inline engine. And there's all the torque specs there. These are all 30. These guys here are 45, and these are 23. So the rear housing is bolted on, and it's a number 4 housing, which happens to be the same as the one that's on the forklift. So with any luck, I don't have to do a lot of work to get the transmission and everything set up for the flywheel. So now that that's done, we're going to put in the rear seal and the front seal. So yeah, we're going to put this Teflon seal on, and it goes on dry. And the Teflon creates the seal. On this style of seal, in the past I've always used a sleeve, but I've got 2 other seals. They're dry Teflon seals, and they don't take a sleeve. So I'm going to use those on this build, and then save that other seal, get a sleeve for it. But the crank is, it's in nice enough shape I can run this without a sleeve. So this one's designed without a sleeve. So I've got a little tool I made. I'll just get this over the lip first. There we go. So the same tool I made to put the rear timing gear on is the one I use for putting the seal on. And now I'll get rid of that seal. There we go. There. So there's the sleeving, guys. It's going to be a dry, install dry, and we're going to try that. I've never used one of these before, but we're going to give that a go. And I'll order up the sleeve for this for another engine, and we'll install the front sleeve. So those are the two different sleeves. So yeah, I'll order up another sleeve for this seal, and then we've got two good seals. And that's the different types of seals. This is the Teflon, and that's the other style. So let's put the front seal on now. Okay, we put the sleeve on. We just got a collar, and then we're going to use the bolt, the crank bolt, to put it on with. Super easy and simple to make. And there it is. So it's up against the lip and ready for the seal. So that's the front seal and rear seal all finished. Well, there you have it, guys. Some more progress on the little Jimmy. The front rear seal and the rear housing installed. So next up is the oil cooler and some other bits and bobs. And then maybe do the oil pan on it. So I have to make that if I didn't say so, but that's what we're going to do. So again, guys, thanks a lot for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.